tell me about, what is this? What are we seeing here? What are we looking at?
We're looking at the first fully finished exterior perimeter wall. This wall has been core filled with concrete.
What kind of wall?
This is our easy block wall. That's all I ever talk about. So this is an easy block wall that's been core filled. It's been covered with sure coat, or sure patch, sorry, and creates a smooth finish on it. And then this is the top coating. It's a paint coating, obviously, and it's very smooth. And I can't imagine any water ever penetrating that, because this feels like a piece of plastic or rubber. So I'm not sure what coating they've used yet. We'll get that information for you, but that shows you a beautiful smooth.
How strong is that wall? Is that solid? Is it?
Ouch. I would challenge anyone to come up here and tell me this isn't a solid cast wall, a form poured wall, because there's no difference. Except this is actually stronger because of the screen grid, the shear strength that creates. If this is a lateral load of wind on this wall is stronger than a regular block wall would be, or even a cast wall. So it looks terrific. Can't wait to see the whole wall done.
There's about 1,000 feet of wall.
There's 1,000 feet for sure, because it's going down both sides. There's this